it's Shelby. Welcome. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. So today I am here and I am sharing our studio vlog rather, number 12. Wow, it has been a long time. I feel like it's taken a while for me to get here. So much has changed. I'm sure you probably already know that because you've seen the tour of the studio. So you know a lot has changed in the studio. I have moved things around like so many times in this office trying to get organized, like cannot even count. But I'm really happy with the way everything has been like organized as of now, and I feel like I finally have space to really store a good amount of products, which has been great. Like I can literally carry like 50 of each product right now with the way that I've organized the space, which is huge and a big deal for me, because if you have been here for a while, you know in the past I literally could only store products in that rolling cart, which was not much, right? So we've come a long way. Today I'm sharing a packing vlog. So I am packing some orders. If you follow me on social media like TikTok and Instagram, then you have seen that I've been running $5 Fridays, and I did that for all of March. Just trying something new, honestly. You know, every time I get these random ideas or see things that look like a great idea, I do try to decide if it's feasible for us over here in this small business land of one. And so I did decide to give $5 Friday a try, and it was fun. I definitely enjoyed it. It was a little bit much for me to try to keep up with posting about it, because obviously when you're doing a sale like that, you do want to make sure your customers know, so that if there's customers who have been eyeing things, they have the opportunity to take advantage of the sale. So that was kind of a little bit more like challenging, just making sure that I made the time to post since I do work full time. But I enjoyed it, and I think our customers did as well. And so that was really, really fun, just to see the engagement with our customers, and them happy to have the opportunity to get some of the items that maybe they wanted on sale. I'm definitely not going to be doing it every week, but I am definitely considering continuing to do it on like, you know, a monthly basis or something like that. So whatever I decide, it'll definitely have to be something that's easy for me to do as a team of one, since it does mean like, you know, mentioning it or promoting it, and then, you know, also making the listings and deciding what's going to be available and all of that good stuff that goes on in the back end that no one cares about. But yeah, so today's video, you mainly are going to see me packing orders for that sale. I will say I added the Bible study journal. So my Bible study journals are also available in the shop now. Don't know why I waited so long to add those, but they are available in the shop. And you can see that Blemish But Beautiful journal there. Pretty for most of the video. Love that journal. It is a journal just for women, quite literally a Bible study plan, just based around different women in the Bible, and it's for 30 days, and it has like prompted journal prompts and all of that good stuff. So that is definitely one of my favorite journals that I have, and so I just wanted to mention that because I can see it looking at the video. But yeah, so I'm rambling now, so I'm gonna hush for a little bit and let you guys watch me pack some orders. So really random, but I spent a good amount. Can't talk. I spent a good amount of the weekend just working on my website and watching old studio vlogs, really random. It is just such a blessing and so amazing to see how far the shop has come. Like, quite literally, on that first studio vlog, I think I packed orders in the first studio vlog, and we were like maybe at 10 orders total in the Etsy shop. So it's just amazing to see how far the shop has come, to see how many products I have in comparison to when everything started out, because when I first started out, I think I literally just had one product in the shop, and now I have like 38. So just to see the growth, to see how far along everything has come, how much I've learned about just running a business, I'm just so amazed. I feel so blessed, just for all of the support, for all of the lessons that God has shown me, for all of the spiritual growth, honestly, that running this shop has provided me. That, like, we just came back from vacation, and I was finding myself just praying so much during vacation. Long story, but I'm gonna make it short. And when I pray, I try to stand on scripture, especially when I'm like anxious. If I'm praying about something where I'm fearful, I always try to find like scriptures. And I did not have to whip out my phone during any of those prayers. Literally, I was like reciting prayers. I'm sorry, not reciting prayers. I was reciting scriptures and standing on scriptures during prayer, and I didn't have to pull out my Bible verse cards. I didn't have to pull out my phone. Like, I knew the words that I needed to stand on. I knew the scriptures that I needed to stand on and the promises that I needed to stand on. And I was just like so taken aback by that. Like, it was such a good feeling, and it was one of those things of like, I went from anxious to calming down, because I was like, but I know he said it. I know God said it. I know it's in his word. Like, I know I'm good. I know he's gonna prevail and take care of this. And literally he did in every situation. I kid you not. So much was happening during that vacation. Don't get me wrong, it was a great vacation, but I was praying so much during our vacation. And literally, like I told my husband, I had, when we came home, I was like, I have got to get my faith journal and write down all the answered prayers that happened during this vacation, because God was just delivering, like, time after time after time, giving us favor, showing us so much grace, just protecting us. And I'm so grateful. And I attribute a lot of that spiritual growth to this shop, because when I'm packing these orders, when I'm printing these cards, when I'm designing, these different products, I'm reading that scripture, I'm looking at that scripture time and time again, and it is clearly like seeping in and staying with me and living in me. And that is a blessing, like, for real, a blessing. So definitely do not underestimate the chance or the opportunity to expose yourself to scripture, whether it be Bible studying, whether it be scripture writing, whether it be reading a Bible verse a day. Like, take that opportunity to expose yourself to more scriptures. The more scriptures you have, the more promises you have available to you in your memory to stand on in prayer. And you will just be amazed at, how much comfort it brings you. But I'm gonna hush now, and I'm gonna let you guys continue watching the video, but I just literally wanted to say that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. One thing I did not remember to mention here is that you'll notice that I'm putting like backboard on the stickers. I have started making it available in the shop to where you can purchase your stickers by using like a regular letter or a mail, like a regular envelope. And so I do try to make sure I add some additional backing to those, just so they're, sturdy and not getting bent up when they're mailed. And I've found that that's helped sales wise. So if you're a business owner, that may be something you want to consider if you have products that are small and could be shipped in a regular envelope instead of a rigid mailer. You can, of course, do your due diligence to add some additional backing there. But I did want to mention that I have started doing that. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, be blessed and stay safe. And Rose is going to take us out.
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.